Hello, good morning. So now the time is 6:15 a.m. I got milk and curd for today. Then let me keep in fridge. Today is Hanuman Jayanti, and this is a very auspicious day for me. I always pray Lord Hanuman. तो आज तो वैसे मेरा फास्टिंग है, बट कुछ ना कुछ तो डिफरेंट करूंगी जो भी मेरे से हो सकता है. आई विल ट्राई टू मेक प्रसाद. आई एम प्लानिंग टू मेक खीर, बेसन का लड्डू एंड गुड़ और आटे का रोटी का जो लड्डू बनता है. आई विल ट्राई टू मेक दैट ऑल्सो. सो यही प्लान है आज का, स्पेशल प्लान. और फिर क्लासेस भी अटेंड करने हैं. नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर, not going out, just hospital and home and everything we are doing online, like case presentation, seminars and all those things, everything online. What else? This is Corona time and it's really a difficult time. I'm alone here. Ashwini, my roommate, also she has gone home, so it's difficult to spend time alone, but yeah, I'm trying to utilize it in a good way, in a productive way. Don't be depressed. Do something what makes you happy at home, like anything, wherever you are interested. Can be cooking, it can be art, study any book, new book, or help your parents at home. Take care of your health, do some exercise, yoga. Nowadays I'm getting time, like really I'm spending 2.5 hours daily for workout, and I'm very 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 satisfied. So that is how I'm utilizing my time, and I really missed you all. So I thought I'll be continuing with my YouTube videos, because this is what I really like it. I just do it from here. And what else? One more thing. Somebody suggested me to watch Game of Thrones. I haven't watched it. So I'm watching it. Till now I have finished 2 seasons. Yeah, it's difficult for me to watch. But pushing myself, and will try to finish it. I don't know when. Not getting that much time to, I don't like watching series and movies for so long. So hardly 1 or 2 episodes in a day. I can't watch actually. So 1 or 2 episodes in a day. So let's see if I could finish it off. So ये रहा आज का ज्ञान. Just want everyone to be very careful. I wanted to give this message. I was not feeling good from inside for 1 or 2 days, and I literally cried. It made me cry when I saw that. I was hearing about that, but trying to distract myself as much as possible. But yes, I want everyone to be aware of the precautionary measures. Don't be careless for your health. So do something what boosts your immunity, and yoga is the best way that will boost your immunity. So today also I'll be doing few yoga that really helps to boost our immunity. At any age you can practice it. Doesn't matter you are old, you are young. We'll practice some breathing yoga, and this time it is very important. So just spend some time. You will enjoy it, you will love it. Apart from yoga, eat healthy, whatever boosts your immunity. So all the vitamin C rich food, all the vitamins, everything at home. Home food is full of nutrients, so take all the nutrients, essential nutrients, and keep yourself healthy, strong and motivated. अभी मैं बनाऊंगी अपने लिए चाय और गर्म पानी, बट उसके पहले मौसम बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, एक बार छत पर से आते हैं ना, मुझे डस्टबिन भी लाना है, धो के ऊपर रखा हुआ। क्या मस्त मौसम हो रहा है, ये देखो, ये रहा मेरा डस्टबिन। अच्छा, वाओ, तो पानी तो अभी मैं ऐसे प्लेन पी रही हूँ। गर्म पानी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, गर्म पानी पीना चाहिए, आप लोग भी पीते रहो। चाय रेडी है, देखो सुकून। बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लिया है, थोड़ा सा लिया है। सब मेरे चाय पे नज़र लगाते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा चाय पीती हूँ, थोड़ा सा ही है। अभी शुरू होता है मेरा काम, घर की सफाई बेड ठीक करना है, बहुत सारा काम है। थक गई यार, घर की सफाई, सब काम, सारा काम हो गया। नाउ वर्कआउट एंड देन आई हैव टू अटेंड माय क्लासेस आल्सो। Time for workout. Usually I do intense workout, but once in a week I do very mild and calming on Tuesday, and I do fasting on Tuesday, every Tuesday, so that day I keep all the pranayam, stretching and all. Not much intense, but yes, very energetic, and I do not forget my Surya Namaskar. Done with my workout. Oh, finally. Oh, so much work from morning. What is the time? 10 o'clock. तो यहाँ तैयारी चल रही है प्रसाद बनाने के लिए। इसका मैं बनाऊंगी आटे का लड्डू और बेसन का लड्डू, इधर बनेगा खीर और इधर अभी लड्डू की तैयारी। बर्तन भी मैंने साफ कर लिए हैं जिसमें मुझे प्रसाद बनाना है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ये देखो हमारे गुड़ और आटे के लड्डू बन के तैयार हैं। इसमें है खीर और इसमें है हमारे बेसन के लड्डू। तो प्रसाद तैयार है, चलते हैं पूजा करते हैं। मैं रेडी होके आती हूँ। वेरी हैप्पी। वेलकम बैक। सो आई गॉट रेडी एंड दिस इज माई न्यू हेयर कट। घर में ही हो गई, जाना नहीं है, बट स्पेशल डे है तो मैं रेडी हो गई। तैयार हो गई हूँ। कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? आई थिंक अच्छी लग रही हूँ। तो मैं पूजा के लिए रेडी हो गई हूँ और मैंने प्रसाद भी बना लिया है। तो अभी चलते हैं, पूजा करते हैं और फिर पूजा के बाद मिलती हूँ। Finished my prayer and truly speaking, that peace I'm feeling inside, I can't explain in words. Feeling very happy, peaceful, and very, very thankful that I got this opportunity for prayer, and very happy. So guys, this is about today's vlog. This day is very special. I'll pray that Lord Hanuman help everyone to fight with this pandemic and come out from this situation. Hope this corona will go soon and will be strong, healthy, and happy. So now it's done. I don't have anything to do now. Little bit I'm thinking to read something. I'll study. Nothing interesting to show you. I mean, won't be interested if I am showing you something what I'm studying. Of course. So I'm so happy that I'm vlogging today, and I'll try to come with more and more ideas, more and more things that will be helpful for you, and I'll try to share my experience also. And this is how I am spending my lockdown alone, but I think in a positive vibration, in a positive energy. It's good. I'm feeling good and motivated, and yeah, that's all. So see you in my next vlog. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Again, हनुमान जयंती की आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बहुत बहुत प्यार। So जैसा कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, stay happy and keep smiling. Love you.